Yeah. Okay. You press this right here. Yeah, she's going to show you. Press it here and you pull this out like this. See this part? This. No. Yes, you got it. You got it. You got it. Okay. You got it. Now, you got this part right here, right?
Yeah.
You hold it just a minute.
Okay.
Put this back to where it was, like here, like this. Did you look at it? Perfect. You got it. Perfect. Now just leave this open, and you can go. You can finish it. you can finish it. Do it. Okay. You hold it like this. You hold it like this. Hold it. Hold it like this. Put it. Put it like. Put the hook here. Put the hook.
No, you have put on the hook.
Yeah, you got it. Put the hook. Yeah. Put it in the hole. Put it in the hole. You got it.
Got it, and
Flip it.
flip it there.
No, don't take up here. Flip it. Do it. Got it. Now remove the yellow. Remove the yellow. She's going to do it. Now we help it here for free. You got it? You put it back. Finished. You see how easy it is? You see how easy? Here's when you get it right here, right? You put your finger here. You open it. Right here.
And you pull it up.
You pull it down like this, and when you go back, you put your stuff here, push it, and you tighten it.
Push it down.
You save yourself $5.
Oh my God, that's our lunch. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah, from Egypt.
Oh, that's why you're Egypt, you know. Oh, I'm from Afghanistan. He said your accent is like...
Afghanistan?
Yeah.
Really?
This is
Which part of Afghanistan?
Kabul.
Kabul. How long have you been here?
No, here in California, like 2 weeks. I moved from Colorado, but...
You did?
Yeah.
And then where from Colorado?
From Boulder.
Boulder. We just visit Estes Park a few days ago.
Yeah.
We Boulder.
Yeah,
So-
all the way down, yes.
So you came here after the war or before the war?
Before the fire. The fire was happening, you remember? Like,
In Boulder? No.
In here? No, I just came in 86.
1986? You came here in 1986? So I came from Afghanistan.
Yeah,
And you lived in Colorado.
we live in Colorado. Now
Boulder?
move here. Yes, now we move here.
You followed me exactly about 2 years behind.
Oh,
I came here in
really?
1984. I live in Los Angeles. Then I went to
Why
Colorado.
you have a beautiful country you have? Why you here? Egypt is beautiful country. Oh my God.
Well, the same
my
thing.
husband's husband is from Egypt.
Yes. Your husband,
Niece. Married
That's
with
his
Egyptian.
brother's daughter.
Yeah.
From Egypt.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out how your husband is. So your husband's brother married an Egyptian.
Yeah, my husband's niece, like brother's daughter,
Yes.
married to Egyptian. Yeah.
So your brother-in-law, that's your husband's brother,
Yeah.
married an Egyptian.
Yeah.
And you have a daughter,
Yeah.
she's Egyptian. Yeah, that's a good story.
See,
And you are.
But I wish my country no war, nothing. Everywhere is nothing. Nobody kill me. Nobody say anything. I will not. The whole world. I will not give one fruit for them. The country, your homeland is something that you enjoy so much.
You know, the land of God is why. Sometimes you can be in your own
Do you
country and
think
you're not
do you
happy.
celebrate everything when you do it in Egypt?
Say again?
Your language, your culture,
But-
your food, everything.
What happens if you are in Afghanistan and you're not happy?
No. But if it's no war, I'm happy.
But you cannot reverse
No
it.
matter, it's like
You
I don't like at the Golden Gate. The Golden Gate is so beautiful, but it's not for us.
It doesn't have soul.
It does exactly. Your life goes, your kids goes away, and everything is different.
You have your kids here?
Yes.
They live here?
Yeah.
Here in Colorado or
No, in
California?
in San Francisco. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
You know, you never know. Nobody wants life comes any way you
Oh
want.
yeah.
You know?
Still, I pray if it's nothing else go wrong, I just go.
You are
enjoy so
happy
much,
and you are
yes,
okay.
yes.
That's the most important.
Nice to see you. Okay.
Alia.
Thank you for that.
You're
showing
welcome.
me that. See, that's the sense coming from Asia. Wisdom.
Now let us see.